Hey guys, welcome to another video. Now today we are doing another single item, which is a mobile phone or tablet stand with a built-in speaker from one of my favourite companies. I thought I'll give it a chance. It is small, but it is actually quite heavy for the size of it. Hopefully it will be pretty good, but we'll see. So in the box you get instructions. I think this comes in white or black. There's white on the box, but I chose black. Simply because I have a black phone and I just thought, a black tablet, I just thought it would look better. Okay, so you get the device itself, instructions, and a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. You've got the USB-C charging at the front, and you've got a micro SD card slot, so you will play music from a micro SD card slot. And that is pretty much it. You've got 6 rubber feet on the bottom, and then you've got the device itself. Now the way this works is quite simply, it is a speaker in the bottom, and then you've got the adjustable stand, and it extends. So it's quite small. The footprint of it is quite small. You could put it in your bag easy enough, and then to open it up, simple. And you can extend it so you can have it a bit higher. And it is very adjustable. But I have noticed one thing, now I don't know if you'll see it on there, but at the back there is a little lip right by my finger on this, and it prevents it going any further than that. That's as far as it will go, which is not quite upright. It's not quite straight. Now that doesn't lock in place or anything. It just literally, it's quite stiff, but it doesn't lock in place. So I'll be interested to see. This does say, I mean, technically it is a phone, but it does say on the advert, phone or tablet stand. I've got a feeling that it's not going to hold a tablet, but we'll see. So first of all, will it hold a phone? It will. So you can adjust it. But as soon as the angle, yeah. That seems a bit of a design flaw to me. It does not click in place. There's no way of locking it in place. The fact that it's already angling forward, I know for a fact it's not going to take the weight of my tablet. Let's take it out of the case a minute. Now I've just got a Fire HD 10, but let's see. Now I'm going to hold it completely flat, so this is how it would be. Let's see if it will take the weight of it. Well, it is actually. And you can angle it. Okay. I've got a feeling. So let's just put that on there a minute. That is as high as it will go. I take it back. It is just about strong enough to hold my 10-inch tablet. I still think it would be better if this locked in place, because if you've got a slightly heavier tablet, like a bigger tablet, it's not going to stay on there. I mean, that actually does a pretty good job of holding the tablet. So it will work with a phone or a tablet by the looks of it. Okay, so on the actual device itself, you've got a power button, play button, minus, and plus. So you can see. Okay, so you get a single driver, a single upward firing speaker. So if you've got a phone or a tablet that's stereo, you are going to lose that if you use this, because obviously you're going from stereo to 2 speakers to 1. But you should gain sound quality, as in depth of sound, because it's a bigger speaker. But we will now give that a test. So, turn it on. It makes the same sound that every other Zealot speaker I've had. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Now today, okay, I'm still using the Poco. One of these. A mini massager. Basically a TENS machine. Now, if people don't know what a TENS machine is, you attach the pads, okay, and then put it on your body. Now I'm going to do my arm here. And slap. Slap. Right, let's have a go at slap. Yeah, I am such a child. That video was a lot of fun to make. If you've not seen it, check out the mini massager. It actually, yeah, shocked me in more ways than one. Let's find some music, shall we? Please don't show me an advert. Please don't. Thank you. Hey guys. So I'll play a bit through the phone speaker. Now the speaker on this isn't amazing. It's okay. Which is max volume. We will now turn Bluetooth back on, connect it back up. So clearly it goes, we'll turn it off, it goes considerably louder than the phone speaker. And the quality of the sound is decent. It's not amazing, but then this is still a very small unit. It's a single speaker. It's not going to sound amazing. You're not going to get any stereo effect. But if you're looking for more volume, then yeah, this will definitely provide more volume, and it will also provide a stand. If you're someone like me, my tablet is on all the time. From the moment I get up, pretty much from the moment I go to bed. Even if I'm doing other things, I have my tablet on and I have something playing. Even if it's something I've seen before. I hate silence. I like noise. So yeah, that's always on. Sometimes what I have been doing, and again, if you check out a previous video, I still think the shape of this is funny. I had tested out these neck speakers a while back, and these are actually pretty good. I use them all the time now with the tablet. I just have them around my neck. I can walk around and I've still got sound quality, especially if I'm watching football, or I've got football on, but it's not a game I'm desperate to watch, but I want, again, noise. So I'll have the football on, or if I'm doing jobs, if I'm doing tidying up, sorting out my inventory, you know, and I'm in and out the garden because I've got storage in the garden as well. I can still hear what's going on because and the sound quality is good. These are pretty good, but I can't wear them all the time. So would this be something that I would use? Yeah, I mean, I actually think I would. For watching YouTube and things like that, the sound quality of the voice when speaking is obviously, there's more depth to it. I don't think it's the best Zealot device I've tested, but then it is also the smallest Zealot device I've tested. And for the purpose that it's designed for, it works really well. It does actually work really well. And the fact that the 1200 milliamp hour battery, I don't know if it says battery life. I will check it out. I will see if I can find anything about battery life. I will then put that on the screen for you to see. The sound quality is not amazing. It is considerably better than the phone speaker. A lot more depth, it's richer, but it's not, you've still not got a lot of bass because obviously it's a small unit and it's a small speaker. So there's not a ton of bass, but it does sound better and it goes a lot louder. If you're like me and you always watching something, or you've got your tablet or your phone on for background noise, it's not a bad little thing to have. Whether I keep this or whether I sell it, not sure. I'm not sure I'd use it enough because I say I really like these. Go around your neck and you've got good sound quality wherever you go. You know, with this, you walk away from your tablet, you're walking away from the sound as well. With these, the sound follows you. So if you haven't checked out this video, check it out because these are actually really, really good. So what do you guys think of the Zealot Z7 portable wireless speaker and phone stand? Do you think it's something that's actually pretty good? You use it, or you'd buy it for somebody? Or you just think it's pointless? You know, the speakers in your phone are perfectly good enough. Or your tablet, perfectly good enough. Let me know in the comments. And again, let me know of any other accessories that you recommend. See if there's anything you guys think I should check out, phone related accessories, please put it in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss out on any future content, still a lot coming up, then please hit that subscribe button. But for now, this is another video that I am going to sign off on. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you found it informative as usual. I hope to see you all again very, very soon in the next one.